Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Unong elam ko All India Trinamool Congress ulat herting ya ka Sorkar MDA bat ki bor Pulit ya ka Jingpan la jong ki bante alakam ya ka Jingkai dewyong bean kabala punlong ya ka Meghalaya High Court ban pan ki bor Pulit na ka Sorkar India bante alakam ya ka ni ka kam bean. President ke AITC Meghalaya uba Charles Pungrop ulaong ka Jingpan Pulit na ka Sorkar India kala Pynhiar dor hadu kata-kata ya ka Tnad Pulit bat ya ka Sorkar Jylla barok away.
Parliament is a platform. Parliament is a platform to raise issues and keep those issues in the public domain. Otherwise, it's the same way where media also is a great pillar to amplify and keep issues in the public domain. I'm not getting into the merits and demerits of the case. Charles Pingro and Dr. Mukul Sanma will be much more qualified to speak on the subject than I am. But we will continue to raise issues, not only in this session, but in forthcoming sessions. Because, let me give you so that's my answer to your question on the issue of the question you asked. Is there any other question you want to add? My colleague will add to that.
The very fact that you mentioned that they have deployed the central paramilitary forces to stop the illegal transportation of coal is a clear reminder to the state government that they are not doing their job irrespective of the fact that the High Court has asked them to do so. It is not only a contempt of court, but it is also this total disregard of law and order in the state, where you have the central paramilitary forces coming here to the state to enforce a rule, a decision taken by the High Court. Reflects badly is putting it very mildly. I mean, if there was any shame left in the Meghalaya police, they should be hanging their heads in shame, where the job that they were supposed to execute as guardians of the law has now been overtaken by a paramilitary force which doesn't belong to the state. Total shame. Yes, it is.
But Charles, do you think a mayor superintendent of police, he was summoned by the court, the court came down heavily on that man. Do you think he will dare to act when the illegal traders are only the political master? Do you think he will dare to act?
It is a question of dare to act. Once you put on the uniform, it is your bounden duty to serve and protect and uphold the Constitution. The Constitution is very clear. You can't steal, and you cannot go against the rules and the laws that are prevailing in the state. Illegal transportation has been declared by the High Court illegal. How can you allow? Therefore, you have the central government sources. I think let us shift now to
this issue, which was being discussed in Parliament over the last 10-12 days, is an issue of a scam affecting the lives of millions who have life insurance company, LIC, or State Bank of India. All of Parliament was discussing this issue. In the discussion of this one issue of a scam, the TMC brought into highlight another issue of multiple scams of people who preach about clean governance.
Jungi mentala day kapor ka jingkala Kisur ngin pensawa lawan kapor ka jingkala Rilum jungi mentala day kapor ka jingkala Kisur ngin pensawa